What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I got the car just stopped over right here. I know y'all probably wondering, like, where am I at? Am I in the middle of the forest somewhere? I honestly don't know where I'm at, and I'm kind of creeped out because I don't know if a fucking cougar, mountain lion, or something wants to jump out. But I stopped right here, doing a quick video today. The car, after replacing the valve cover gasket, I still notice it has a minor boost leak somewhere. So I'm gonna go get some codes ran today. Actually, go ahead and show y'all what I personally think. So I do personally think it's the valve or the boost lines. They are actually a little bit rugged right here. You can see it's all like raggedy down there, and it's a little raggedy over here too. So I do want to go and see what codes we get to see if, you know, that can be an issue. With some boost codes will pop up for that. And can we all just admire this valve cover gasket for a second? It looks so nice. I'm so glad I got this done, and honestly it hasn't smoked at all since we went ahead and replaced it. If you haven't checked out my video, check out the last video of the valve cover replacement. I also believe I have a small coolant leak in this car. If y'all can see the little coolant sparks right here, there's definitely a coolant leak in here somewhere, so we do have to find that. 9 times out of 10 it's this freaking radiator, and I actually replaced this radiator before twice. The time I replaced it was a while ago. As y'all know, the car has been sitting for some years, which is why it's all dirty and dusty, but we will be getting that clean soon in the upcoming video. I went ahead and threw these gloves on real quick because I had a couple people request and ask, what did my valve cover gasket look like when I took it out? This is what it looked like when I took it out. I didn't find any cracks in it. It did stop smoking, so it was the valve cover. I'm just not sure if it was possibly this gasket. As y'all can see, my gasket isn't very brittle. I'm just assuming that it just was time for a replacement, or possibly just a crack that I can't find. So yeah, that's the valve cover. This is pretty much trash now. The valve cover wasn't as brittle as I thought it would be, but it definitely did still smoke. So if y'all guys see, look at all that nastiness is gunked up in there. It's crazy. All right, y'all, this thing actually needs a wash too. We might actually stop, go drive, and get a quick little wash too. I don't know if y'all heard or not, but let me show you this thing on startup. It doesn't sound like it's been abandoned or anything. It just sounds really good. She idles so smooth, man. That's good news though. It means we're in good shape. All right, y'all, I don't have a headpiece or anything. I have a mouthpiece, so if I'm not talking sometimes, don't mind me. And don't be commenting down below talking about I got every check engine light on. If you say that, then I just know you are not an N54 downpipe owner. Yeah, man, so this car has been sitting for some while. If y'all don't know that by now, it was pretty much sitting for a couple of years, actually like 6 years to be exact, not really moving. So we're finally getting this thing back on the road, getting new parts. If y'all been watching the videos, then y'all have been seeing all the parts that we've been adding, which last video we did add the valve cover gasket, which was pretty fun, not gonna lie. Glad we got that done. Didn't have to pay that crazy labor that everybody charged to get that replaced. The car pretty much has this boost leak that pops up every time when I get into boost, and I'm noticing that I'm not getting any boost at all. The leak seems to be pretty big. I know the turbos are going bad, but I still feel like it has some potential in it. But I'm thinking it's the lines, like I said before. We're gonna go get the codes ran. Before we do that though, I'm gonna actually go and run to this car wash over here. Almost if y'all could listen closely to the camera, you can hear the turbo spool. So I know they're still spinning. I know they're still working. But when you get into boost, it throws a code. Once I get a little clear straightaway, I kind of show you guys. Oh, that G80 is clean. G82. But yeah, if I feel like if I can get into a little boost with this car, we don't have to rush into the turbo so fast. That would be perfect. Because I would hate to replace the turbos and still have a boost leak, you know. At least when I do this, it won't be just, you know, it won't just be a boost leak, it'll be at least when I do this, I know that I don't have to replace the turbos for the boost, and I would just have to dude, I don't know what I'm talking about. Hold on. What I was trying to say is, at least when I replace the part that's causing the boost leak, at least I would know once I do end up replacing the turbos that everything will work out fine and perfect. Yeah, let me know if the windows down or the windows up is better for the audio of the car. Hold on. These some nice houses they're building over here. Not gonna lie. These things are pretty clean. Probably gonna be $1 million for a 3-bedroom, but hey, that's the new normal. Come on, man, go. I hate when I get behind like cars like this that just don't want to go. Damn, somebody brought the whole garage out. Oh, it's a vet. It's a nice vet too. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do like a quick spray and wash, and kind of get this thing cleaned up. It's pretty much just like dust. So hopefully everything wipe off. I don't want to put the brush or anything. I don't have time to really wash the car, but yeah. I got the E92 all cleaned up. I'm gonna do like a freaking drive and dry today. I don't feel like doing all the extras, but I got her all cleaned up. She looking nice. She look a lot better that I got her all cleaned up. It was pretty much just like dust everywhere again, but I waxed her last time, so when I drive it all should fly off. There was a nice little Z06 next to me. I talked to the owner for a second. I didn't really record the interaction because the guy just didn't seem like the type to want to be on camera, but pretty sick Z06 right there, not gonna lie. Y'all get a good view of her. I always wondered if like parts would be cheaper on a Z06 compared to like an M, just because it's like an American car. And if I was to get a Z06, it would either be a C7 or a C6. Those sound the best to me personally. I love the way they chop. I'll put a cam on it ASAP. Car does have a JB4, so you gotta make sure that you actually have the JB4 on map 0 turned off before you can read the codes. So that's a quick inside tip if y'all didn't know that. I know a lot of people don't know that. And every time I seen somebody go read the codes on their car and it wouldn't pop up map 0, and then that'll knock that straight off because it's putting everything back to factory settings. So it's as if the JB4 is not actually there.
where the OBD2 port is on these?
It should be right there, to the left. Right, straight ahead. Right there. It's open.
I see
Under the trunk button.
Oh.
Yeah, it should be right there.
Oh, I got you. Let's see. So, manifold absolute pressure, map sensor. That's what it is, just map sensor for both.
Let me take a picture. Maps?
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. No, I just bought an M340.
Oh, sick. Yeah.
And I've been just slowly doing stuff to that.
Yeah. You like it, B58?
I don't like these.
You don't like it?
Because like I already had problems with the oil filter housing cracks.
Oh, okay.
So I've had problems with that, and that's like an 11-hour job. So
Really?
And the control arms cracked too.
Oh, that's normal. That happened on here too, yeah.
Yeah.
All good.
I've just been going through piece by piece.
Yeah. But the engine's gonna last. The engine's pretty good though.
They are, but I mean, I haven't done anything to it yet. I haven't,
You haven't done anything.
I haven't done anything. Not even like from my
Once you put some mods on, you're gonna love it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
I have
fast right now,
yeah.
but I'm like, you know, I feel like it sits wrong with me because I just bought it and there's already a fuck ton of things on it.
Yeah, you hate putting miles on it.
I hate putting miles on it because I'm gonna see the fucking all the prices of it.
Right.
Straight down. I'm like,
That's the worst part.
Hey man.
You have a good day. So apparently the only code I'm getting is this code. I don't know what that manifold absolute pressure throttle angle too low. Not sure what that's meaning. Bank 1. I'll do my research, but yeah, that's where we're at right now. I'm assuming the boost leak didn't come up just because once you turn the car off, it kind of resets. So I know there's a boost leak though. There, yeah, I did some online research and I found out that those codes actually have to do with the map sensors, the front or map sensor MAP and MAF, which not indicating a boost leak but could be a vacuum leak. So yeah, with that map and MAF code, I do have to check the intake system. I do have to get a smoke tester, so when I get the smoke tester for the car, I'll be able to see the leak. 9 times out of 10 I'm seeing a lot of people saying it's possibly the T-map sensor or the charge pipe. On this car I've never upgraded the charge pipe, but looks like I have to, right? I am going to upgrade that. I have one but I can't find it. Ordered it years ago, never installed it. So it could be that. It also could be from still the vacuum side. We're still going to replace those lines like I said, but if not, we're going to upgrade the charge pipe, upgrade the T-map sensors, because that's where the leak has possibly come from. It also seems it could be the intake manifold gaskets, and replace the sealants around those two. So yeah, that's where we're at after checking everything today with those codes. So it looks like those codes kind of helped us a little bit more than I thought it would. I'm just super excited. I know we're a lot closer than we think we are. We're like this close to finding the leak. Once we find that leak, I'm telling you guys, this channel is going to go crazy, because then from there I want to go ahead and do more performance modifications. Everything has been like maintenance. I want to kind of give you guys an update. I want to do the interior, kind of update on the interior. I already got a steering wheel in mind. Twin turbo upgrades, bigger 10 twins or a single. I'm not sure which one I want to do, because this isn't so much a budget bill. It's more so just a bill from the car being, you know, abandoned and cheap. I don't want to go too budgety on it, because I do want it to be, you know, really nice when we're done with it. Honestly, we pretty much got down the fact that we need to do a smoke test on this car, so I'm gonna order the smoke test. I'm also gonna order the vacuum lines and get those replaced, because those are kind of brittle. Don't like the way it looks, but at least with the smoke test we can see what else is causing it to throw those codes. And the smoke test should be able to tell us what it is, which is hopefully just something as simple as a T-map, the charge pipe, or possibly just manifold gaskets. Something simple as that, and we can fix the boost leak. Perfect. It's perfect. I also seen something that I want to replace is the before we move on to the more modifications, is aluminum radiator. I kind of want to do everything aluminum. Aluminum radiators. I want to upgrade our hoses. for the coolant hoses. I also want to upgrade what they call it, the Mickey Mouse clamp, to the aluminum one. I kind of want to get everything replaced with aluminum so we don't keep running into all these leaks. As you know, the M54 leak. Engine's great, but the leaks and the plastic bullshit around it is horrible. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in this long. If you have, or if you are still tuned in, comment down below, man. Your interactions help the channel so much, and I appreciate all you guys. You guys likes, you guys comments don't go unnoticed ever. I reply to almost every comment every time I get one. I always respond to you guys. But anyways, I appreciate y'all for listening to me yap. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.